For centuries, the sun has been the central figure in our solar system, providing warmth, light, and the necessary conditions for life to thrive on Earth. It has been studied, admired, and even worshipped by various cultures throughout history. However, in recent years, a provocative and controversial hypothesis has emerged in the field of astrophysics. Could the sun, our beloved star, actually be a black hole? In the following exploration, we will delve into the intriguing theory that suggests the sun might harbor a dark secret at its core. The sun's formation and structure. Before we explore the idea of the sun being a black hole, it's essential to understand its formation and structure. The sun was born from the gravitational collapse of a massive cloud of gas and dust approximately 4.6 billion years ago. As it collapsed, the core of the sun began to heat up, eventually reaching temperatures and pressures high enough to initiate nuclear fusion. The sun's energy is primarily produced through a process called hydrogen fusion, where hydrogen atoms combine to form helium, releasing vast amounts of energy in the process. This energy is what powers the sun and makes it shine brightly in the sky. Black holes, a brief overview. To understand the hypothesis of the sun being a black hole, we need to grasp the fundamentals of black holes. Black holes are regions in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their gravitational pull. They are formed when massive stars undergo a supernova explosion, leaving behind a collapsed core with immense density. The Schwarzschild radius. One crucial concept in the study of black holes is the Schwarzschild radius. This is the radius a mass must be compressed to in order to become a black hole. For an object like the sun, which has a mass of approximately 1.989 by 10 to the power of 30 kilograms, the Schwarzschild radius is about 3 kilometers. Anything within this radius is considered part of the black hole. The hypothesis: could the sun be a black hole? The hypothesis suggesting that the sun could be a black hole is a radical and controversial one. It challenges our understanding of astrophysics and raises many questions. Proponents of this idea argue that the sun's core, which is composed primarily of helium and hydrogen, might have undergone a phase transition under extreme pressure and temperature conditions, resulting in the formation of a small black hole at its center. Evidence and arguments. Mass and Schwarzschild radius. One of the main arguments for this hypothesis is the mass of the sun and its Schwarzschild radius. For an object like the sun, the Schwarzschild radius is about 3 kilometers, which is within the range of the sun's core. This suggests that the sun's core could theoretically be a black hole. Neutrino emission. Neutrinos are subatomic particles produced in vast quantities within the sun's core through nuclear fusion. However, scientists have detected fewer neutrinos than expected from theoretical models. This discrepancy could be explained if some of the neutrinos are falling into a small black hole at the sun's core, effectively reducing the number of neutrinos escaping the sun. Dark matter interactions. Some theories suggest that dark matter, a mysterious substance that makes up a significant portion of the universe's mass, may interact with black holes. If the sun were a black hole, it could potentially have interactions with dark matter that affect its gravitational behavior and the motion of objects in the solar system. Challenges and skepticism. While the hypothesis of the sun being a black hole is intriguing, it faces several significant challenges and skepticism within the scientific community. Critics argue that there is a wealth of evidence supporting the standard model of solar physics, which explains the sun's energy production through nuclear fusion and its observed characteristics without the need to invoke a black hole at its core. Additionally, the idea of the sun being a black hole raises questions about the formation and stability of the solar system. If the sun were a black hole, how could it maintain its current orbit with the planets, and what would happen to the gravitational dynamics of the solar system? Conclusion. In the quest to understand the mysteries of the universe, scientists explore and develop hypotheses that challenge our existing knowledge. The idea of the sun being a black hole is one such hypothesis that sparks curiosity and debate. While it presents intriguing arguments and evidence, it remains a highly speculative theory that challenges the well-established principles of solar physics. As of now, the prevailing scientific consensus maintains that the sun is a massive star that sustains itself through nuclear fusion, providing the energy that sustains life on Earth. However, the hypothesis of a solar black hole serves as a reminder of the ever-evolving nature of scientific inquiry, where even the most fundamental beliefs can be challenged and refined as our understanding of the universe deepens.